I'm Swami Mohan. I'm the head of product at Galileo.ai. We help enterprises and growing tech companies build reliable AI applications. The way we do that is we help them evaluate, monitor, and protect their AI applications. We are working with some of the biggest banks, biggest financial institutions or telcos, energy companies in the world. So we have that experience working with these enterprises. We are able to really help them reduce the risk of deploying these AI applications, because for these banks there is a lot of compliance risk, there's a lot of brand risk of deploying these AI applications. We see these enterprises are able to deploy these applications almost 10 times faster than they would have been able to without Galileo. The Cloudera and Galileo partnership, the value we bring is so synergistic, so complementary. I think Cloudera brings data, which is at the core of AI, like enterprises, the unique data they have in their systems that Cloudera owns today and provides governance on top of that data. So Cloudera brings that. Cloudera brings private AI models that they're able to deploy anywhere they want. And now Cloudera also brings the agent development kits to be able to develop agents. So it's bringing all those ingredients for them to develop these AI applications. There's a better together story is because we are partnering together to build those integrations, build those hooks, so that we know that it's much easier for enterprises to onboard when they are using both Galileo and Cloudera. It's much easier to use Galileo when they are using Cloudera's agent development platforms, when they're using Cloudera's AI models. So it just reduces the time to value by a lot because we build those hooks to make sure that when they're using Galileo and Cloudera together, the experience is much smoother and much hassle-free.